Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to freeze your GetContact account or temporarily delete your GetContact account. Now if you want to temporarily delete your GetContact account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the GetContact app on a device. So if you have not installed, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device, and after that you just need to open the GetContact app. So open the GetContact app on a device and make sure that you have already signed up or signed into your GetContact app. So as you can see, this is the home page of GetContact, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the very center of the screen. Now to delete a GetContact account, you just need to click on the option of menu at the very bottom of the taskbar, and here you will see your name, notifications, SMS protection, and all of the things. So scroll down until you see the option which says settings and click on the option of account settings. So under account settings, you'll see the option of manage account. Click on it, and to temporarily delete your GetContact account, click on the option of freeze account like this, and here it says keep using the app. So it says, are you sure you want to freeze your account? So click on the option of keep using the app if you don't want to freeze it, but if you want to freeze it, click on the option no freeze my account. Now you just need to select the reason why you are freezing your account. So you'll see the option of this application doesn't give me the benefit that I expected, and all of the other options. So select the option which you think is suitable for you and click on the option of freeze at the very center of the screen, and it will be highlighted on blue. So that's it. That's how you can temporarily delete your GetContact account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.